What's going on, y'all? Hope all is well. Another episode of Combos with your CFP Mario Payne in beautiful Jacksonville, Florida. What's not beautiful right now? My Tesla stock. Tesla's killing me right now. So we're going to go over it, see if it's a buying opportunity as it continues to go down, or will it continue to go down? And we might not want to buy the dip. We might want to see it drip, drip, drip down. Before we get started, as always though, like, subscribe, share to our channel as we continue to grow. As you know, I've been practicing for 16 years as a certified financial planner, a CFP, managing over $250 million in assets for my clients. But on YouTube, I'm just a person giving information. So, Lego.
Talk me through this because Musk, he has a history with OpenAI.
Yeah, I mean, the simple facts of here are that Musk is basically alleging that this is some sort of illusory promise to all of the original backers of the project in saying that when we founded this thing.
So let's take a step back. The reason why a lot of people think Tesla is going down is because Elon Musk is really not concentrating on Tesla. He has Twitter or X. He has SpaceX, which is rocking and rolling. And of course, he's doing his political stuff, firing Don Lemon after hiring Don Lemon, which is crazy. So because of that, after he bought Twitter with a lot of Tesla money to do it, so he used Tesla money, sold shares. Because of that, it went down, and he used it to buy Twitter overpriced. And now Twitter, we don't know what's going on there, but we know Tesla continues to go down. So what does he do? He's not concentrating on bringing up the stock price. He's trying to sue Sam Altman, OpenAI, a company that he helped fund when they got started. The reason why? Because he thinks they're not using it like it should, even though he has no more ownership of the company. That's like me buying a house, selling the house, and then to the new homeowner saying, you know what? I don't like that paint y'all put up on the wall. I think you should mow your lawn once a week instead of once every 2 weeks. It's not yours anymore, player. It doesn't matter. But for Elon Musk, I guess it's principle over profits.
We agreed, one, this was going to be a non-profit, and as you said, for the benefit of humanity. It's going to be a really interesting process to see if there's actually any legal grounds at all for Musk to make that argument and what his sort of end goal is here. But
what is his end goal? Again, he has no ownership. He has no stake in the company. So y'all made an agreement, but hey, a handshake is a handshake. I could cross my fingers. I got my shoes tied. Y'all know when y'all was in school. That don't count. We didn't bet. I had my shoes crossed. I had my shoestrings tied. You know, I had Velcro on.
I would note the history that Musk has using litigation as a means to send a message, frankly, or to, basically get a competitive edge. Because, as you know full well, he also has an interest in XAI, which, to all intents and purposes, hopes to offer exactly the same thing as OpenAI currently does.
Now, that might be the play, right? XAI is supposed to be ChatGPT. Now, what they should be doing is that all the data that they gather from drivers of Tesla, and I own a Tesla, so I'm kind of biased in a good way or a bad way, but they should be collecting all that data because, you do have to get your data collected. It is what it is. Put all that in XAI and then use that to his advantage. Make your driving experience better. Find ways to save money with X and save money, more importantly, with Tesla to drive down the manufacturing costs of Tesla, to find ways to make it more efficient, to find ways for the FSA, fully safe automation as we drive with no hands, y'all, no hands. He should be using that data to make Tesla a better company and make Tesla a better stock. And he ain't doing that. And because of that, y'all, Tesla stock going down. Look at the charts. Now my profiteers. Does this look like a good chart or a bad chart? I mean, come on. As we zoom in, zoom, zoom. Oh boy. Boosie and Young Jock. But as we can see, it had a heck of a run up. I mean, 2020, 1100%. Now, I always say, I started practicing in 2007. I tell clients all the time, if I had my crystal ball, in 2007, when I started, if I bought Tesla for all my clients, now you got to be diversified. I recommend no more than 5% of your money in one company. But if I was not taking my advice and put everything in Tesla, I have a lot of multi-millionaire clients, but you just do not know, right? Now, even in 2020, it went up like crazy. But since then, my profiteers, we've had problems. From top to bottom, we went down by 75% during the stock market drop of 2022, and the stock market by 40%. It almost doubled. And it has tried to recover, right? It tried to recover up almost 200%. So as of mid-July, we thinking, hey, Tesla's halfway there. Another 100% return on that. We'll be back to where we were. But my friends, after buying X or Twitter, after fighting with Sam Altman, after doing this political thing, after trying to promote Dogecoin again and then backing away from it, the stock has teetered. And it might be when earnings come out, the first time in a long time that they actually lose money. And my profiteers since the top, look at there, down by 44%. Again, I repeat, since July of last year, even though the market has been going up since July of last year, Tesla is down by almost 50%. No one would have thought that, especially as the market was rallying last year. So the question is, how far would it go? Well, if we look at the charts, we always want to first look at gaps, right? Mind the gap. When I was in England, mind the gap. Like, what does that mean? It means stay away when things are closing. Really no gap ups or gaps down, right? But it is trending. Look at all these red candles, right? Down 1%, down 4%, down 7%, down. Ooh, big old candle at 13. Ran up, ran down again. And we know what's happened. It is rolling, right? Because we are now getting lower lows. Lower lows. And then today, on the weekly candle, we bounced up, bounced back down. So typically when this happens, we look at the last high to low, looking at 35%. Now that means Tesla has the opportunity going down another 35%. My profiteers, that means Tesla has the chance to go down as low as $72 a share. I repeat, who would have thought that Tesla would go down by $72 a share? Now, I'm not saying that's going to happen, but I am saying if we are technical analysis, we look at the charts, again, from the high to the low, when it dips down, when it's trending down, we like to look at the top and the bottom. And again, the top to the bottom, my profiteers is a cool 35%. Not good at all. Now, will that happen? We don't know. It appears because of the trend down that it may happen. Our quote unquote floor, right? Our floor is at 101, right? That is our strong support. So you would think that it goes down to 101 and bounces up because it was 101 basically January 20th. That's crazy. By January 25, it can be as low as it was January 23 when the market, not the whole market, but a lot of the market has rebounded. But if it misses that support and it goes down, my profiteers, it's a strong possibility it goes down to $73, $80 a share, something in that range. But that's doom and gloom. Of course, it could bounce up. I think we have a long way to go to getting back to $400 a share, though, y'all. Just my opinion. It was as high as 418. Now from here, for my people that are more optimistic than pessimistic, well, my profiteers, let's say it bounces. Whenever that happens, this is a nice solid gain of almost 150%. When will that happen? We don't know. my profiteers, I think it's going to be a while. A while like 3 years. I don't think that long, but you know, it's going to be a while to get back to all-time highs. It's going to be a while to get back to 300. But anyways, profiteers, that's Tesla. I'm going to keep my Tesla. Good on gas, right? But their stock could be better. So my profiteers, that's information about Tesla. Comment below. Are we in Tesla? We out of Tesla? How low you think Tesla's going to go? And do you think that Tesla is going to get back to its all-time high? It should eventually, but when will eventually be? And also let us know, is Elon Musk tripping? Should he concentrate his time on Sam Altman and OpenAI? Or should he concentrate on his own company that's making money like Tesla at one point was? Anyways, y'all, love is love. Let's make some paper profits together, y'all. Peace.
And you just wanna get paid, tired of making no money mistakes. Make a payment on your bills and you still late, yeah. Painful profits to help you seek change, and you just wanna get paid, yeah. Tired of making no money mistakes. Make a payment on your bills and you still late, painful profits to help you seek change, yeah. Cut the show and just listen. You wanna feel empowered by making money decisions. Residual by the hours can get you a better living. Bitch at the check, you knowing it could be different, you knowing.